Hello, welcome to Dwarkesh Cell Point. Top 10 earphones to buy. The first is Philips with clear sound with high power 10 mm driver, ergonomic earbuds for comfortable fit, hands-free calls with clear sound. It's the price best with the 6 months of guarantee for this. This is both 180 model earphone and offline product. This earphone has a super extra bass, polished metal, 3.5 mm gold plated jack, tangle free wire and one button control operator. You can just go with the earphone and have extra bass. JBL T50 model earphone. Very best and comfortable earphone for all the professional use. JBL T50 1-year warranty earphone. Port 110 earphone, sound as fun with a free pouch in it and has a one button mic to operate all the songs, play, pause, next, rewind and call attending. Good earphone. Sony MDR Ex15 earphone with a very small earbuds in it. It has a very good and smooth wire quality. Realme Buds Classic, deeper and richer bass, music and video playback control, built-in cable organizer, HD microphone. Samsung earphone HS1301, compact and light, balanced sound, answer end button with volume control option. Yes, this earphone has volume control. This is Portronics, an iPhone type of earphone, which is a very good earphone for all the people who are searching an earphone in the low range, which costs around $399, and you get 6 months of guarantee for this earphone. Again, Portronics 10 mm driver earphone, custom comfort earphone for all the ears with a new design of earbuds 3.5. Last but not the least, the Skull Candy, the ultimate intense tremendous earphone. Skull Candy effortless sound, inline microphone, call and track control in this earphone. This earphone has 2 years guarantee and it is available in 4 different colors. This is the orange color, which is a very different and unique one. The black, the intense black color, effortless sound. You can just go with this earphone and have a good experience in the sound world. A music world can make you more and more addicted to music. This earphone has built in for you guys. Just go and buy this earphone.